China and Uruguay have just established a joint laboratory at your university for the bio-nanopharmaceuticals. Could you please introduce the project to us, including its main focus and key progress?
This
is indeed an initiative that began in 2019 and was originally proposed by Uruguay. In 2022, both governments agreed to move it forward, and it has been fully operational since 2025. It is a joint laboratory between the University of the Republic of Uruguay and Qingdao University in China, focused on cutting-edge developments in biotechnology and nanotechnology applied to the pharmaceutical field. So far, 5 research projects have been launched within this joint laboratory, with a 6th one currently in preparation. These projects focus on developing platforms to study and address specific pathologies, particularly different kinds of cancer and ischemia in the lower limbs. These conditions can be treated in a much more effective and efficient way using molecular tools based on nanotechnology, which allow targeted drug delivery. This means higher efficiency, higher effective doses at the specific site where they are needed, and reduced distribution throughout the entire body. From this perspective, the joint laboratory has already achieved significant progress. There have been reciprocal visits by Chinese researchers to Uruguay and Uruguayan researchers to China. 1 scientific paper has already been published, 3 more are currently being drafted, and the possibility of filing an international patent is under evaluation. These developments are highly relevant and timely, as they aim to provide solutions to major global health challenges while benefiting both countries. Overall, the results so far have been very positive.
Así que eso es un poco lo que hemos estado haciendo hasta el momento actual, con muy buenos resultados.
What is the significance of expanding bilateral cooperation now to emerging fields in science and technology?
Precisamente en el año 2023,
In 2023, both governments agreed to elevate the bilateral relationship to the level of a comprehensive strategic partnership. This decision allows cooperation to expand beyond the already excellent trade relations and into areas such as science and technology. This type of collaboration helps pave solid paths towards the future, not only in bilateral relations but also in the development of each country. Sustainable development today is based on new knowledge, technological innovation, advanced infrastructure, highly trained human resources and intellectual property linked to cutting-edge research. In this case, we are referring specifically to applied biotechnology and nanotechnology in the pharmaceutical sector, but the same logic applies to all areas of scientific and technological activity. These are the foundations of strong and lasting international partnerships, and they are essential for countries to move forward in a meaningful way. China is clearly a global powerhouse in scientific knowledge development. Uruguay, as a small country, is fully aware that investing in science and innovation is essential to building its future. That is why we believe that bilateral relations with China are highly strategic in this regard and play a key role in Uruguay's long-term development.
Y en eso estamos abocados y creemos que las relaciones bilaterales con China son altamente estratégicas al respecto.